friends. Today we will be talking about inner satisfaction. I know that most people believe that you get a lot of inner peace when you live for others, when you do service to others, and that is true. It does give a lot of satisfaction. But I want to take it in another way also. I believe that in our hearts or in some inner level of us, we have a very dry, arid, desert-like place which is pining to get wet, which wants to get some water. And this system is the way in which we will get satisfaction or inner peace. Now, how do we get it in a general way? It's not difficult, friends. I will tell you simple things. I believe that when we do a day-to-day activity also with all our effort, all our concentration, and we give it 100%, that completion of that activity brings us that joy and inner satisfaction. Take the example. A lot of people have to clean up their bedrooms. Now, there will be some who will just go there and they will pick up things lying here and there and dump it in the cupboard. And they will just put some bed sheet here and there and cover up what all they can't clean. And they will say, okay, we've done the cleanup. However, there will be some like you and me who will take the effort and time, and we will go and we will first do the dusting. We will clean the books and arrange them. We will go to the dressing table and arrange all the items on the dressing table, and we will keep things in place. And then we will pick out a nice bed cover and put it on the bed, and maybe we would arrange some beautiful flowers also. Now, what is the difference? When you do it in this way, although it takes more effort and time, you get that inner satisfaction of doing a job well. So these words are the most important, friends. Do a job well, to the best of your capacity. I will give you some other instances. Supposing you are a housewife and you prepare a nice meal, you serve it in beautiful bowls, get the family on the table, sit and chit-chat over lunch or dinner, and enjoy the food. And when you're over, you will feel satisfied that you've done a job well. There are writers, there are people who give lectures and speeches. Friends, when they put that bit of an effort and prepare, and they search, they look for the words that would be the best to express themselves, and then they do this work, they get that satisfaction of doing a job well. In office, you have to make a presentation. You can just go there and stammer and just manage. But if you prepare yourself, you will stand there with confidence, you will give a wonderful presentation, and after that you will feel happy because you have done your job well. And at all these times, your inner dry space in your heart will get those dewdrops that will bring peace and calmness, and it will quench the thirst that is within you. This is a very important way of getting that inner peace, inner satisfaction. Now, friends, people say life goes on, who's bothered? We can manage with the way we do it, slipshod manner. But such people really are not living life the way it is meant to be lived. And what do we get if we do all these things, friends? I believe that when you give your 100% and when you focus on your activities and you do it to the best of your ability, your batteries get charged. You find energy within you. And this is very much needed, friends, in today's world and always. So please, I hope you like what I have said, and then we will talk of much, much more another time. Bye-bye.